Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best topside creepers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best topside creepers. Starting at number 5, we have the DNA Motoring Tools 00190 Foldable Topside Automotive Engine Creeper. Each item in our collection is the result of significant research and development, as well as rigorous automotive application testing and fitments carried out by our highly qualified specialists. We test the material's strength and durability to guarantee that the tools arrive completely prepared for their intended use at the consumer's end. The powder-coated steel construction provides high strength and rigidity for reliable support and years of use. It has a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds. The height of the engine high-top creeper can be adjusted between 45 to 66 in, easy to adjust up or down. Simple to reach up to your desired height to fit your working needs. This foldable high creeper with 18 by 12 in padded high-density foam padded deck provides additional comfort on the job. Easily folds away to save room when not in use. Our topside creeper moves smoothly into place with swivel casters. The locking caster design make the engine creeper properly positioned to avoid accidental movement. Moving on at number 4, we have the Traxion 3-700 Foldable Topside Creeper. While I love the customer service that you get with the red line, reviewed below, I think this is one of the best options you can invest in. Until recently, the old guard of car mechanics has been convinced that, if it is not hurting, you aren't doing it right. This generation of hardy folks is starting to retire, undoubtedly from their back pain. The younger generation that is coming into the workforce has the mindset that there is probably a tool that would make this easier. Accordingly, the younger generation is looking for more ergonomic tools and is willing to invest in underhood creepers for their shop. However, the trend line hasn't picked up to the point where there are a lot of competitors in the market yet. Traxion is leading the way with its workplace innovations, and I expect them to hold the line for the next 4 or 5 years until more competitors enter the market. You'll see Traxion on this list a couple of times. The first thing that I love about the Pro Gear is how far back it is angled from the vehicle. The angle is perfect for giving you access while keeping the frame back and away from the vehicle. It is also easily adjustable to work on different types of vehicles. There are 2 pins on each side that you simply pop out and then you can slide the stand up and down. I'm big on adjusting the stand while away from the vehicle and then sliding it into position, just to make sure that I don't accidentally drop it and create a scratch on the car. It adjusts up to 75 inches, increasing your access to 40% more of the engine. Practically speaking, this topside creeper gives you 140 inches of engine compartment accessibility, even on taller trucks. The stairs are perfectly distanced no matter what height you have, which makes climbing up and down on this unit very quick. At number 3, we have the JEGS High Top Creeper. The JEGS High Top Creeper is a great option if you're looking for a premium topside creeper that offers better reach, better visibility, and better versatility. This product can hold up to 400 pounds of weight, making it suitable for plenty of users of all kinds. And it can adjust to offer you the angles and the height you need. It adjusts in height from 45.5 to 60.5 inches, and it can collapse down to 24x30 by 59 inches for storage. The padded deck, which measures 18 by 12 by 2 inches in size, offers comfort while you work, and you can adjust its angle too. The creeper sits on 4 3-inch casters and wheels, with 2 of the casters able to lock in place for added stability. You'll get convenient versatility thanks to many adjustment points and lasting quality with a durable build. At number 2, we have the Traxion 3-100 Foldable Topside Creeper. Looking for a model with adjustable height that befits every repair or maintenance task? The Traxion 3-100 Foldable Topside Creeper will offer you in addition to a sturdy, comfortable and durable construction. The 3-to-100 foldable topside creeper is essentially meant to help you increase productivity and safety while conveniently working from the top side of the engine compartment. At the top of the adjustable height stem of the tool is a padded deck for the technician to rest upon as he or she reaches into the engine compartment. 4 casters slide easily around the shop. 2 of them lock once the unit is properly positioned, giving the user plenty of leverage. This feature offers the comfort you need to remain on the platform for extended periods. The padded deck is covered with heavy vinyl for comfort and durability. This also makes the product easier to clean. The base and frame of the tool are made of heavy-gauge steel with a powder coat finish to protect from scratching. The height of the padded deck may also be altered, making the Traxion 3-to-100 suited for use on an assortment of vehicle types. Folds for easy storage. And finally, at number 1, we have the ProLift Gray 36 inches Z Creeper seat. Not only is this product by a renowned brand but also offers the best blend of affordability, portability, comfort, flexible and durable design. This over-the-fender creeper is designed in a Z shape, hence it may be used as a mechanic's seat or just folded for use as a mechanic's creeper. Even so, the unit has a rather high weight-bearing capacity of 300 pounds. You will also find the creator seat lightweight and easy to move around. It is fitted with 6 swivel casters, presenting with the mobility and enhanced ease of use you need to get under the tight area. When used as a seat, it features a low-profile design that is best suited for this application. Converting the seat into a creeper is also easy, just operate its retractable pin. The durability of the unit may be attributed to its unique heavy-duty frame, which also allows it to be sturdy, even when supporting heavier users. As for comfort, the topside creeper is equipped with thick padded cushions. These offer a comfortable base for easy movement and access during vehicle repair and maintenance tasks.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.